Late last week, a judge in the state of New York, Judge Arthur Engoron, told Donald Trump that no, I am not going to throw out the lawsuit that New York Attorney General Letitia James filed against you and your children. That lawsuit, of course, is the one seeking $250 million from those entities. And the reason Judge Engoron says he's not going to throw out that lawsuit is because Donald Trump's lawyers came to court, filed the motion for getting the case dismissed, claimed that Letitia James doesn't have jurisdiction to bring a lawsuit against Trump, which is just patently false. Then they once again claimed that this is all a political witch hunt. She can't be doing this. She's only doing it because she has a vendetta against the Trump family. And Engoron said, listen, you've come to this court multiple times. You've come to the lower court multiple times and made these exact same arguments. And when you made those arguments last time, they were thrown out of court. And essentially, you were told you can't make these arguments again. You have no evidence of any of this. And some of them, as I said, are just patently false. Yes, the New York Attorney General does have jurisdiction to bring a lawsuit. It's kind of what they do, really, to be honest with you. That's literally part of her job. You can't say that it's not. And I'm so mad, Engoron went on to say, that I may actually sanction your lawyers for filing these same borderline frivolous, is how he defined them, arguments. Because again, and I cannot stress this enough, Trump's legal teams, and he has 3 different law firms working on this, have already made these arguments. And they've all already been smacked down by the court system. The judges said, you can't make these arguments anymore because I'm ruling against them. So what did Trump's legal team do? They went back and they made the same exact arguments, even after being told you can't do that. So I hope they get sanctioned. That is what needs to happen. When a judge tells you not to do something and you do it anyway, you're always going to run into trouble. Now, the judge also issued a separate ruling. And this one to me is a little bit interesting because another party to this lawsuit also filed a motion recently. That was Ivanka Trump. And what Ivanka Trump was doing was trying to get all of the charges just against her dismissed, right? She didn't care about her brother. She didn't care about her dad. She had her separate legal team go in there and be like, hey, Judge, Ivanka's a good kid, right? I mean, she's not involved in any of this, even though her name is literally on many of the documents. A lot of what happened was overseen by the area of the company that she was running. She signed off on it literally with her signature. Yeah, just ignore all that and please dismiss Ivanka from this lawsuit. And the judge, of course, said, no. Why would I do that? Now, Ivanka's legal team did successfully recently go to court and argue that she should be exempt from the financial monitoring that the rest of the family is under. And the only reason for that, of course, is that Ivanka is no longer with the company. So I get how that kind of makes sense. But trying to get yourself dismissed from this lawsuit when you were right at the heart of all of the alleged criminal activity taking place, yeah, that's not going to work. And Judge Engoron didn't let that fly either. So you have a big family of losers with the Trumps who cannot escape this lawsuit. Their lawyers might be the ones facing, criminal problems with all of this. And it's going to move forward whether they like it or not.
This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.